Color is powerful, more than what meets the eye. It shapes not just what we see, but how we feel the world breathing beneath it. And sometimes when color steps beyond realism, something stirs, as if the image begins to dream for itself. It's what this video is about, the strange freedom of arbitrary color, when art stops mirroring reality and starts revealing its own. In art theory, arbitrary color describes the use of hues independent from the natural world. The idea emerged in modern painting, with artists like Gauguin, Van Gogh and Matisse, who began to see color as something living, untethered from imitation. For them, a yellow sky or a green face wasn't an error, but an opening, a way to paint the unseen, the emotional rhythm beneath appearance. Arbitrary color isn't random. It's a conscious shift, a break from the surface of things. Sometimes it appears in just one place, a face, a shadow, a background, while the rest remains bound to reality. Other times, the entire image follows its own internal order, guided by the feeling of color itself. What matters isn't how much the world is changed, but why. The choice born from intention rather than imitation. A vivid example can be found in Sin City. In a world drawn in black and white, color becomes intrusion. A woman's red dress burns through the grays, the color of blood, passion, danger. A villain's skin glows an unnatural, toxic yellow, something that shouldn't exist, yet commands the frame like a curse. That's the paradox of arbitrary color. It disturbs the visible to awaken the invisible. In miniature painting, we work within worlds already removed from the real, yet even here rules form. Orcs are green, humans bleed red, the Raven Guard are black. These patterns help us recognize, but they can also confine. When we break them, when an orc's skin turns orange or a tyranid gleams like metal, we echo the same gesture as the modern painters. We let color slip free from identity and meaning, until it simply is. In that moment, the miniature stops depicting a world and begins creating one. This isn't about rebellion or shock, it's about curiosity, about rediscovering that raw, childlike wonder that color once held. I think of those afternoons flipping through comics filled with impossible hues, or enjoying the alternate colors of my favorite fighter in an arcade game. Meaningless in the game, yet somehow deeply satisfying. Because somewhere in that freedom lies the essence of what color really does. It lets us feel the world anew. In an upcoming video, I'll take this idea from theory into practice, exploring how arbitrary color can transform a miniature, turning representation into expression. Because sometimes when color stops obeying the world, it begins to dream one of its own.